Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and set up Windscribe VPN on your iPhone. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. To begin, you'll need to unlock your iPhone and find the App Store icon on your home screen. It's the blue icon with a white letter A that looks like it's made from drawing tools. Go ahead and tap on it to open the App Store. Once you're inside the App Store, you'll see several icons at the bottom of your screen. You want to tap on the Search tab, which is the one that looks like a magnifying glass on the far right. This will bring up the search interface where you can look for any app you want. Now, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and carefully type in Windscribe VPN using the keyboard. Make sure you spell it correctly to find the right app. Once you've typed it in, press the search button on your keyboard. The official Windscribe VPN app should appear as the first result in your search. It's published by Windscribe Limited and has their distinctive logo. To download it, simply tap the Get button next to the app name. Your iPhone will now ask you to confirm the download. You can do this quickly with Face ID or Touch ID if your device supports it, or you may need to enter your Apple ID password manually. The app isn't very large, so it should download and install completely within about 30 to 60 seconds depending on your internet connection speed. Once the installation is finished, you have two options. You can either tap Open directly from the App Store page, or you can exit the App Store and find the Windscribe VPN icon on your home screen, then tap it to launch the application. When you open Windscribe for the first time, you'll see a welcome screen with a Get Started button. Tap this to begin creating your free account. You'll need to enter a valid email address that you have access to, and then create a strong password for your account. Make sure it's something secure with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. When you're done, tap Sign Up to create your account. After your account is created, you'll be taken to the main screen of the app. You'll notice a very prominent power button in the center of the screen. To connect to a VPN server, all you need to do is tap this power button once. Windscribe will automatically select what it determines to be the fastest server available for your location. This might be in the United States, Canada, or another country nearby. The connection process usually takes just a few seconds. Once you're successfully connected, the app will display your new IP address on the screen, confirming that your real IP is now hidden and your internet traffic is being encrypted for security. Now, let's talk about data limits. The free Windscribe plan gives you 2 GB of data per month, which is enough for light browsing and checking emails. But here's a fantastic tip to get more data without paying. Go into the app settings menu by tapping the gear icon, then select Account, and make sure to verify your email address. Windscribe will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Just open that email and click the verification link inside. Once you do this, your monthly data allowance will jump from 2 GB to a much more usable 10 GB, completely free. If you're looking for faster speeds for streaming, a much larger server network, and advanced features like malware protection, I highly recommend checking out NordVPN. It's a more powerful service that also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try it completely risk-free. Try it for 30 days using the link below.